Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to change username in eBay. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to change username, first what you need to do is know that you can change your username once every 30 days. So what you need to do is simply head over and open up your eBay application or organization.com on your computer or PC. Then sign in with your account. Then once signed in, what you need to do is simply tap on my eBay option on the bottom of your screen, and now once you're inside here, what you need to do is tap on your username on the top left corner of your screen. Then once you're inside here, what you need to do now is simply select the option that says edit profile here, and now once you do that, all you gotta do is simply select this pencil icon right on your profile icon. Now on the options, you'll find an option that says edit username. Simply click on edit username, and then now you will be prompted to enter your username, and note that it lets you change your username once every 30 days. I have already changed my username, so I don't have the option available right now. But if you are changing it from 30 days or over, simply click on edit and then type the username you want. eBay will check if it's available, and if it's taken, try a different variation. And once that's done, what you need to do now is click on submit or save, and your unique username is now active. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.